Hello everyone, I am Tirthashri from CSE IoT domain. So our team working on the project titled Women Safety Reporting and Supporting Panel. So let's begin our presentation.
About the Women Safety Reporting and Support Panel. We chosen the topic Women Safety Reporting and Support Panel because women safety is one of the most important issue in society today. And every day we hear about incidents where women are harassed, threatened or harmed, many of which go unreported. Means we see in the news and newspapers, social media full of such incidents, but sad part is most cases are going unreported. Many women stay silent due to fear, shame and lack of support. One of the main reasons for this is lack of safe, easy and quick way to report these problems. This is a big problem. There is no proper system where women can quickly report that happened to them in a safe way. That's why many cases remains hidden. Our goal is to build a system that empowers a woman, a place where they can report incident without fear and get timely help and feel supported. Our main aim is to give power back to women. We want to create a platform where they feel brave to report and get immediate help and know that someone is there for them. We believe technology can play a strong role in empowering safety and encouraging people to speak up. Today, technology can solve many problems. So, we believe that smart and simple app or website can help women raise their voice and stay safe. Next, the aim of our project is develop a digital platform that support women's safety in different ways. Let me explain each point. Allows women to report safety concern or incident quickly and securely. The main goal is to let women report any safety issue like threats, harshments and safely. Our system should make it fast and simple to ask for help. Provides us access to emergency contacts, helplines and support services. We will include the important emergency contacts, numbers and service like police, helplines and other support groups so that help is always just click away. Ensures the privacy and safety of user data. This user privacy is very important. Whatever data or report that user gives will kept secure and confidently, and this helps build trust in the platform, helps in building awareness and spreading safety information. Our platform will also educate the users. It will share safety tips and precaution and others useful information so that women stay informed and alert. Encourages a safe and supportive environment for women in society. Lastly, we hope this platform will create a society where women feel more confident, safe and supported to speak up and protect themselves. Means overall this project is we want to help them when women are unsafe.
Now I am with the system architecture. System architecture is a high level blueprint of our project. So it shows how different parts of our project work together like front end, back end, database and other modules, how the data flow between them. So how did I design this system? Actually, we have designed this project using MVC model. MVC model in the sense model view controller, where model refers to the managing the data, view refers to the user interface, controller refers to the that is going to sync between the model and the view, where managing data is done by the Python in our project, where the user interface actually weave it is going to manage by the HTML templates. Controller it going to be act as a bridge between the model and the view. In our project app route, in the app.py going to control the actions between the model and the wave, where the Flask is the Python framework. It is a Python web framework which is used in the backend, that is app.py, where it is a backend built for our project. Then UI made with the multiple HTML templates. Then the authentication is given to the login and sign up page. Report system is all about reporting the data, where it going to be saved in the database. Here SQLite database have been used, which is lightweight, going to save the data which have been reported by the user. Emergency module, which is going to handle the emergency alert trigger plus live location. In the dashboard module, we have many services in the panel, women safety panel. So those are emergency help, legal help, safety tips, community support, location tracking using Geopy Python library, where technology integrations like voice command is used here. So this is the overview of system architecture. So let me explain the code with the output using Visual Studio platform. Yes, now I am with the Visual Studio platform, where the project folder is like this. And now let me explain the backend code, that is app.py, where the Flask is used. The Flask is a Python web framework which is used in the backend build of the project, where it uses the HTML templates with the render template, collects and processes the user data via the forms. So it renders the different pages for features like login, sign up, emergency, legal help, safety tips, etc. like this. Then in the sign up we have used like get and the post, where get is going to renders the signup.html, post is going to collect the user's info or data, displays the account created.html with the user data summary. This is what the Flask web framework in the backend build works. Then it is a good modular structure with all features clearly separated by the routes. So it is easily to structure the code of the given project. Then let me move to the welcome page. This is the welcome page, where this HTML code is the front-end template rendered by the Flask. When users visit the route, it welcomes the users and guides them to key actions. So where it is used template inheritance using Jinja. Jinja, in the sense, it is the combination of both HTML and the Python. So then we have used the logo banner using the image source. It loads an image from the static folder we have created in the folder structure. Later we have used the navigation buttons for both login, sign up and the emergency. Later we have used the select language. In order to select the language, we have used the language selection drop down. Here drop down has been used. So totally this welcome.html, that means this HTML template page acts as an entry point to our women safety and support platform. It provides the direct access to all major user actions. Clean, attractive and user friendly layout. Then let me move to the login template. This is a front-end login page that includes a form input, client-side validation as well as redirects the using JavaScript. Let me explain the important feature of this, where we have used the CSS in order to style the web page using background gradients for the clean, modern, user-friendly design. Later, form inputs like we have used the input type called email, input type called password. So here email and password have been used as form inputs. Both are required for the better user interface. Message below the password, we have given that at least 6 characters within one special character. So that is the client side validation, minimum 6 characters using the JavaScript. So if it is valid, it shows the green symbol, that is right mark, which is a successful message. If it is invalid, it shows the red into mark, where it refers to the error. So it redirected into the successful validation. If it is valid, then it shows the successful message and redirected to the sign up page using the Flask URL for function. Using the Flask URL for function, it redirected into the sign up page when it is get validated. Let me move to the sign up page. This is what the sign up page template for the panel. This is the front end sign up form where users can create their account. It is styled for good user experience and submits the data to the backend, where the basic structure is HTML5 document with the head for the title and styles and the body for the main form content. Then it form elements, where the form elements have been used. That method is post method, which is the form element in order to here the form method, that is post, in order to submit the data to the Flask route. All fields are required. Then collect the user's information to register for the platform, like name, contact number, email, country, district, state, first name, last name. These are the information collected by the user to register for the platform. On submission, the data is handled in the Flask using app route. leads to a confirmation page, that is account created.html. So it leads to the confirmation page, that is account created. Then this is about the sign up page. Then let me move to the dashboard, where after the confirmation, after the registration of the user, it leads to the confirmation page and leads directly to the dashboard page, which is the HTML page, main dashboard shown after the user logs in. It provides access to all the safety features in one place with a visually appealing and interactive layout. So here we have used the header and introduction, using head tag and the paragraph tag. So next we have used the navigation buttons. Each feature is presented as a styled button inside the tag. Here inside the tag we have used the navigation feature. Available features are emergency help, legal help, safety tips, community support, report complaint, technology tools, live location, and the logout button. So its main purpose is that it acts as a central control panel for all the safety tools here. Easy to use, visually inviting and accessible from anywhere in the app. So this emergency help, it actually leads to the emergency triggering alerts and a live GPS, that is live location, using Geopy library from the Python. Legal help, it includes the legal guidance, rights info and complaint forms. So safety tips, it includes the practical safety strategies and the guidance. Community support means it shared stories, social validations. Report complaint, it is structured incident filling, evidence collection. Technology, in the sense it is the integration of voice activation, live location, so live location tracking, voice activations. So logout button will leads back to the welcome page from the dashboard page. So this all the services have been provided in the women panel in the dashboard page or a template. So this is about the code which we have been used to implement the women safety and reporting panel. So let us see the output, how the panel actually looks like. So let us see the output. This is the code. When I run it, I'll use the local host where our personal computer will act like a server, and let us visit through it. Now the output has been. This is how the website looks like. The welcome page of the website is like this. So here we have the three buttons where login, sign up and emergency trigger. It has been done using the navigation. So select language, here we have used the drop down. So let us move to the login, where we can log in using our mail as well as password. Password has its own credentials, that is password must be at least 6 characters and include a special character. So if we follow that credential, we can access. Otherwise it is not a valid, it will be the invalid. So in order to access it, we should follow the credential so that it get valid and successful message appears like this: login successful, redirected to sign up page. So when, if and only if it get valid, it redirect to the sign up page, so we can fill the sign up page requirements. After filling the requirements in the sign up page, if we click on the create account, so account created like this successfully and then redirected to the dashboard page. So this dashboard page consists of several services like emergency help, legal help, safety tips, community support, report complaint, technology tools, live location. So emergency help so this is how a report an incident or safety corner looks like. Your name, the location, so date and time, today's date and today's time, which is type of an incident. So here we can have a incident description. If and only if we give a submit report, it gonna show that your report has been successfully submitted. This is how the report template looks like. So now it's time to conclude that this is what the Women Safety Panel is: a secure and responsive platform built using the Python and Flask. It offers the emergency alerts, complaint reporting, legal support for the women in need. So, with the features like voice activations and the location tracking, it ensures the quick action. This system promotes the safety awareness and support for women in the real time. Thank you, everyone.